Welcome. In front of me I have a Huawei Y7 2019 and I'll show you how to enable unknown sources. So you can install apps from, let's say, downloaded from the internet. So to get started, we'll need to open up Settings app. And in Settings, go down into Security and Privacy. Then tap on More to expand the options. And it was right there. Install unknown apps, as you can see. So, and from here, you can choose what apps can install from unknown sources, which would probably the best one would be Chrome, have the ability, and also Files, because either you can download it from Chrome and install it, or you can copy it on an SD card and install it from that. You can also, I guess, enable Gmail so you can, or mail in general, so you can, let's say, mail to yourself an app and from a computer, let's say if you downloaded it. But to do it, we'll click on it and flip the switch to allow app install. And basically that's all it takes. And now you can install apps from unknown sources for Chrome. And same goes for every other app that you would like to activate like that. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.